Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Sudoku application on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your App Store and go to the search box and type in Sudoku and search. Once you find this application from Easy Brain, tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Wait until the application downloads and installs on your iOS device. Once the application downloads and installs, tap on the Open button to open the application on your iPhone. That's how easily you can download Sudoku application for iPhone within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.